It has the pink interior. I'm so bummed. Look what I did. Hello, my friends, and welcome to my channel. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, thank you for joining. I hope you see something that you're going to like today. Hey, are you a Louis Vuitton Speedy or Damier Ebene lover? This is for you. I am going to do a what's in my bag to show you everything that I have in here.
I'm never forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven, call me his own.
Okay, friends, so let's get started. I am going to tilt the camera because this is all about her. Here she is. It is fall. You see, I have my workout top on with the punch out thumbs here because it is that time of weather. And because of that, and you go outdoors and you hear people coughing and sneezing, I had to bring the big bag girl out, move from a small to the big bag, and I'm going to show you what's in this Louis Vuitton Damier print. I love, love, love this print. I feel like it is more carefree than the Monogram with the vachetta print. You have the chocolate brown handles here, and this one is the bandolier version. So I do have the strap with this bag here. And this strap is adjustable, so you can take this middle piece off and have a shorter shoulder strap, or you can carry it like I do as a shoulder and a crossbody. I like doing this if I know that I'm going out to do a lot of shopping. But let's talk about what's in this. This little cute, 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 cute souvenir. I got this on one of my last cruises, and I thought I would remember what stop I purchased this on because it doesn't have anything on here to remind me. But I know it was on a cruise and I know it was somewhere that we stopped, and I purchased this. And I love the tans and browns in here. It goes so well with this bag. She has little sparkly ears here, and it's a cute, cute, cute teddy bear. This piece, oh my goodness, I love this. I purchased this off of Etsy, but get this, I purchased it from Etsy, but it was through Bags Borrow and Steal, I believe that's what the name of it is. But it's another secondhand shop that's pretty reputable. So I purchased this little keychain here, and in here I have weather appropriate cough drops. Get a little cough, put that in there to soothe your throat. So we have that, and her strap is leather. Then let's see what we have on the inside. I'm going to start actually with the zipper part of the bag. I have the Damier wallet here. I use this and I put this in the zipper pocket because this is what I grab for, and I need quick access to this. When I'm out, I carry my IDs and my debit cards in here. So this is just quick in and out that I use when I'm out and about and I have to purchase something. Of course, we have our key pouch, and we have my key there, automobile key here. The second, well, then I have, if I'm driving one car or the other, I do have my husband's key here. So this is in this pouch, so I use this different key pouch for that. So this for my husband's car, and this is for my car, two different key pouches in the Damier version. I also have, this is considered a cigarette case. I use it for my Fenty glosses. I have this one, which I love, and let's see if I can, let's see. The eyes are not fit. Nah. Super, super fine. That's this shade here. I love this. Looks like that. It's a clear. Very good. Love this one. Super fine. And I also have another Fenty. This one has a little color to it. And this is hot chocolate. And she's pretty nice too. But it has a little color and shine to it. So I like these two. I carry with me in here. I love this little pouch. I also have this cosmetic case, and in here we have, tell you, this is the season. Flu shots everywhere. Everyone's getting sick. We have some Clorox wipes so that we can wipe down spaces. I have some tissues here. I also have some hand sanitizer, the Touchland. It's about halfway through. Probably need to get more of that. I have stuck in here some floss, dental floss things here in this little baggy thing. I have a daily disposable toothbrush. It's not daily, but it's a disposable toothbrush. It's two of them in here. I have some lotion. Your hands get really dry. You can use this lotion here. And this little case, I'm not even sure where I purchased this from, but I do love this. It's for like my vitamins and pills or anything that I carry. So I carry this in the cosmetic pouch. I don't think I have anything in the slip pocket. I don't. So that's what I have in this package. Just put all of this back in here, because we are ready for this season with this. And you ever thought that in your bag that you will have two of the same items? Well, I do. I have another cosmetic pouch, and this one I just added this little Amazon charm to the zipper, so I know when it's in my bag what is different in here. And this one with the little charm on it is my tech pouch. I have my charger, my JLab earbuds here, and then in this pouch, I got this pouch from Amazon. I also have some AirPods from Apple. I have some corded earphones. I also have the little microphone and a charger adapter for the microphone. So I have all of that in my tech pouch. So I can hear, especially with the different types of headphones. I don't know. I like to carry different ones because for some reason I get a little ear fatigue, and one may feel better in my ears than the other. And I always carry the wired headphones because you don't have to worry about a charge on that. So this is my second pouch that I carry, cosmetic pouch. Both of those are the same. I also have a larger pouch. This is super cute. It has the strap, so if I wanted to carry this separately, I can do that. This is an accessory to the Neverfull, and I purchased this from a seller on, I believe it was Poshmark. And this one is a little bathroom pouch, but I have some tweezers in here, another hand lotion here. This one is for me because it has scents. The other lotion I have is a cocoa butter, so it's not really any strong scent. And I carry that one because my husband is always asking for some lotion, and he doesn't want all of these scents in here. This one is avocado fragrance, and it is moisturizing, soft, and you just need a little dab of that. Take these sleeves off real quick to rub that in, and if the screen had scent, you would smell how good this smells. It smells very, very good. So, and it's very small. These are the Perel singles, where there is a little of the hand sanitizer to clean your hands. I also have the Perel wipes to clean your hands. I have some bathroom spray here. Then I have some Fenty mascara. Show you what that looks like. I love this mascara. It covers my eyelashes very, very well. I have this. How do you say this? Is this NYX or NYX? Someone tell me how do you really say it? But I do love this. So, unfortunately, fortunately, I don't know. I'm blessed that I have hit the age of 60, but things come along with that. One is everything just starts to turn gray. So for my eyebrows, I use this brush to brush them out. And in between appointments for my eyebrows, this is the tint that I use to keep the gray away, at least to the next appointment. So this works really well. It's called Zero to Brow Long Wear Brow Gel. So it is a brow gel, and I know it was under like $5 for this one, so it's very affordable. Also from NYX, this is a retractable lip liner. This is so soft. I love this. Their brand on this lip liner as well. So very, very affordable as well. I think that was less than $5. I have the Fenty eyeliner. Oops. And with this is just the roll up eyeliner from Fenty. I love this. And let's see, we have some cuticle oil to keep those hangnails down, get some healthy nails here. And my skin gets really dry. And I got this from actually Five and Below. It comes in a 5 pack, and I think it probably was a little over $5, but not too much over. I'm just kind of taking. Look, I don't even have to worry about it. If I would not be doing this if I was carrying my Monogram Louis Vuitton Speedy. Oh no, because then I would think that I'm gonna get something on the vachetta leather. So I'm going to just go through and get this all in the nails here. So that's a quick, and it's just a roll up. This is lavender and keratin cuticle oil. Just rub that in. Keep those fingers nice and moist. Then I have a couple of more Perel wipes here. I have an ink pen in here. I don't know why I have that in there. Well, okay, I think I know why. And I do have a highlighter, and I'll show you why I'm carrying the highlighter and the ink pen. And then I have a rain pouch. Get caught in the rain, and I don't have an umbrella. I can throw this on. I try to keep these. I get these from the dollar store. They used to be $1 now. I think they're $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, my local Dollar Tree. And I got a receipt in here that I can throw away from a fast food restaurant I went to. So I'm just going to put all of these things, make sure that it is not open so it doesn't mark up my bag. I'm going to put all of these back in here. Perel lotion and bathroom spray. Zip that up. And I have a wallet in here. This is a short wallet. Now this is called the Koala, a Louis Vuitton Koala. I love this one because I love the pop of red that's in the inside. This is such a cute wallet here. Now, this one has a back zipper. I don't have anything in here. And then I have a bunch of like store cards and gift cards in here. I have my business cards in here. And then instead of dollars, I have receipts that I carry in the bill section here. So carry these so that if I'm returning something or by the end of the month or so, I can see what I have spent out with all the receipts that I carry with this one. The side, well, I'm going to do this first. You've seen this plenty of times. This is my Louis Vuitton sunglasses. And let's see, they are in here. Here they go. Love, love, love these. And then the last two things I believe in here. So on the sides of my bag, I carry those things that I may pull in and out pretty often, or I want to get to. One is my Louis Vuitton PM agenda. So the PM agenda that I carry in this bag, I also have an turn this the right way, an ink pen, and I have my business debit card here. I have my note section. This is not really like some of the other PMs that I have. I have some dividers and all of this. This one is really just I'm out and about, and I just want to take some notes for some things that I want to remember. In the inside, I try to carry these in my PM agendas, but these are affirmation cards. This one says, today as I face challenges, I will call a mental timeout. I will continuously breathe with my eyes closed and focus on slowing my inhalation and exhalation. Breathing is a huge part of being healthy. Sometimes it's just a matter of just stop and breathe, inhale and exhale. It will get you through a lot. Just try it. So we have our slots here. Again, I don't really have this one, I would call it dressed up, because this is just, I'm just out and about and I just want to have something that I can write some notes on here. And then if you watch many of my other videos, you will know that I am a big wallet, long wallet girly. This is I want to say this is it's either the Sarah or Emily. I keep getting that mixed up. It may be the Emily. So it has the pink interior. I'm so bummed. Look what I did. I got some ink marks on this one, but I still love her. So we have some cards here. We have some cash in this one for change. We have some coins in here for change here. And that's what we carry in the long wallet here. So what we have is all of these things are the print for the Damier. I love carrying this bag because she is so easy to carry. You can get so much in this bag, and I don't have to worry about something I can't fit in here because everything fits. Everything fits in here. So if you are a Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene-print girly, this you would love. You would love this setup. So I'm always looking for little pieces that I can add to it. But you may think, how do you know what is what in your bag? I do by feel. And I put things in places so I know where they are. So with that, I am going to add everything back in the bag. So here, this goes like in the back, and I keep this upright so I don't have to take it out. If I need something, I just zip and unzip while it's in my bag. Again, this is the long wallet. I keep it on the side, one side. My agenda, I keep it on the opposite side here. Then I have my two cosmetic pouches. I know the difference from Phil because one has the charm on it. So I can put those in here. This I don't really pull out very often unless I am leaving a store and I'm putting my receipt in here. So I have that one. Again, this is something out of all of them I probably pull out most often. So I keep this in the zipper part. My lip gloss I use, easy to pull in and out. So I make sure she is standing up. My keys, I never pull out my keys because, my car recognizes the key. So they can be down in the bag for both sets. And then my sunglasses, I definitely can tell from feel. So now if you take a look, here is my bag with everything in it. Nice and secure. All right, thank you all. If you like this, if you want to see something in more detail, just let me know. I would love to show you more, but this is my baby. This is the Speedy Louis Vuitton bandolier. Thank you all for joining. Until the next time, we will see you. This is Mrs. DLC, and you have a great day.